Hi everyone, today I am here with my new YouTube video and this video is about the TIS, Tata Institute of Social Science. As I have told you that I will continue with this TIS series, so today I am going to share about the TIS syllabus. Okay, if you want to prepare for the TIS exam, so what are the syllabus for this? Earlier in my previous video, I have talked about the TIS campuses, the courses and about the TIS examination pattern and the eligibility criteria. So I have made the 3 videos on this and this is my 4th video. If you want to prepare for the TIS exam, it is a very important video for you. So do watch the full video and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe it. So who are going to prepare for the TIS exam? This video is very important for them. So do watch the full video and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe it. Take knowledge and give knowledge. So without any further delay, let's start our today's topic, which is about the syllabus of the TIS, Tata Institute of Social Science. So I think you people know that in this TIS syllabus, we have to study the quants, the reasonings, general knowledge and English proficiency. And you also know, if you watched my previous video, I have told you that the GK contain the most weight, because if you pass the GK cutoff, then only your other 2 marks are seen of the English and mathematics and reasonings. So one by one we will discuss that in quant what we have to study, in the reasoning what we have to study, in the general knowledge and the current affairs what we have to study, and in the English proficiency what we have to study. So let's start with the quants. So in this, we have to study the arithmetic, profit and loss, time and work, time, speed and distance, percentages, ratio and proportion, SI and CI, simple interest and compound interest, partnership, alligation and mixtures. Then algebra, APGP. APGP means arithmetic progression and geometric progression. Quadratic equation, logarithms, inequality and modulus, functions and graphs, linear equations, integral solutions, surds and indices, geometry and numbers, triangles, quadrilaterals, circles, mensuration, numbers theory, BODMAS. Yes, in this exam, the BODMAS also comes. In other competitive exam, the BODMAS is not an important part, but here in the TIS syllabus, the BODMAS is also there in the quants. Okay. So after BODMAS, operator based questions, trigonometry, modern mathematics and DI, permutations and combinations, probability, set theory, line chart, bar graph, pie chart, data sufficiency and data interpretation. So this was the syllabus of the quants. Then let's see about the syllabus of the reasoning. In the logical reasoning, we have to study about analytical reasoning, linear arrangements, statements and arguments, sequencing, matrix arrangements, number series, analogy test, blood relationship test, coding and decoding, inferences, non-verbal reasonings, cause and effects, direction and distance tests, ranking test, statement assumptions, statement and conclusion, symbol based problems. So these all are the syllabus of the logical reasoning. Further, let's see about the syllabus of the English proficiency. In the English proficiency, we have to read about the reading comprehension, English grammar, jumble para, sentence correction, English usage errors, paragraph completion, one word substitution, idioms, synonyms, antonyms, sentence improvement and phrases. So as we all know that these are the important part in any competitive examination, that in any competitive examination in English this all part comes. So in the TIS syllabus also in English we have to study this, the antonym, synonym, word substitution, idioms and phrases. So these all are the important parts for all the examination. Okay. So let's talk about the general knowledge. As we all know that it consists of the highest weightage. First we have to cross the cutoff of the GK, then only our English and mathematics and reasoning marks are taken. Okay. So we should study it very carefully and very nicely. So let's know about the syllabus of the general knowledge first. It is conventions and static GK. The static GK comes current affairs, social and cultural issues, politics. From politics the GK questions are made. National policies, campaigns. There are many policies, the new policies. So mainly the recent policies comes in the examination. So we have to know 1 year or more than 1 year, means 1 year and 6 months general at least GK questions and the current affairs we have to know for passing any examination, any competitive examination. So then after the national policies and campaigns, international events, literature, arts, culture, sports, economics, books, author awards. So okay, it is not nooks, sorry, it is books. Okay, books, author awards, it is very important as the name of the author comes, the name of the book comes, that in which year this book is published, the name of the award comes, means in the award the Oscar awards, the Nobel Prize awards, the national awards. So this type of awards comes in the examination. So about the constitution now, after the awards, constitution. So yes, many questions are made from the constitution and from the president, vice president, this polity chapters. After constitution, science, then history. So this all was the syllabus of the TIS, and it is very similar to the other competitive examination also. So if you prepare for the high examinations like the CAT, so if you prepare for that, then this exam will be very easy for you. This all for today, and I hope this video will help you. And if this video has helped you a little bit also, then please share this video. Okay, and if you liked it, please like and subscribe also. Okay, so this all for today, and we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye.